Hi, welcome to another video where we just create everything. Today we will be doing a rather short video. We will be doing a design for a simple wooden right angle clamp. So, let's get on to it. And as usual, first things first, we need to create a folder for that. And copy a sample template to save time. So, what is the use of this clamp? This will be used for carpentry where you need to clamp two pieces of board together for fastening. Like this. So now we open the software and sketch first the clamp. And now we need this to import in Sketchup. So, we open Sketchup now. So, that's it. We have now finished designing a right angle clamp. This is it for now. See you again next week for another episode of Just Create, where we create everything. See you guys.